In this video, I'll show you fix Instagram incorrect username problem on Instagram. Solve this problem, you can follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Update on Instagram latest version. Tap on Search. From here, you make sure Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram apps. It helps to fix Instagram incorrect username problem on Instagram. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on app. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram apps. Tap on Instagram, then tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps you to fix Instagram incorrect username problem. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. Restart your device or mobile phone. Step 5. Open Instagram apps. Write your correct username or password. Then tap on login. Solve this problem. You can follow the step. In this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.